Hey guys, Vinay here, back with another interesting video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pega Personal Edition and install it in your personal system. So without further waiting, let's begin the show. First of all, go to this website called community.pega.com, and if you have an account already with the Pega, just log in with that account. If you don't have, just click on sign up and sign up using your personal email or any other email and verify it. Once you have verified it, just click on login and specify your email address and password as well. So once you have logged in, just click on this support and click on download Pega software. Give it a moment to download this. Yeah, so as soon as you click on that, you will see this option. Just click on it, download personal edition. And currently we are downloading a Pega 8.6 or 8.6, which is around 4.1 GB. So we are able to download it. Once the file gets downloaded, I'll be back in a moment. Yep, when the file has been downloaded, so this is a zip file that you will get. Just click on right click and extract all, and this will ask you the folder. Just want to extract all the files into the same folder. Yeah, so all the files have been extracted in this folder. You can see the size also 4.23 GB, and just open the folder, and the main file that you need to click on is install. So just click on this file install, and it will launch the installation process. Yeah, click on next, and just read this documentation part. Just click on next, accept, and I want to create all the database server, load Pega platform database, shortcuts and other things. If you don't want to launch Pega platform automatically, just uncheck it. So just click on next, and I want to install it in my different device. Just select Windows instead of new volume D Pega. I just want to create a new folder here. So this is my personal choice. So Pega 8.6, enter. So just select this folder and click on open, and then click on next. So these are the database port as well as your server port. So if you want to change it, just change it. Let's say you want to change it to 3.3, you can change it, as well as 8081. But generally for PostgreSQL, so if you install Pega, the default database would be PostgreSQL. So the port ideal port for that is 32. You can change it to whatever port you want, and I just want to keep it 8080. Just click on port availability, yes. Click on allow access. You can see both the ports are available. If you want, you can also change it to different ports. Again, click on it, they are available. So just revert it back. So once you click on next, and then you start installation process, just click on start. So it's going to take around 15 to 20 minutes based on your laptops or system configuration, but yeah, until that time you just have to wait. It's doing all the process. It is extracting all the files that you have inside this, and it's going to install it in my Pega 8.6 version. You can see inside that Pega has created this folder PRPC Personal Edition, and it's extracting all the database files, my Tomcat server files, all those things. Yeah, the installation has been completed. So you can see this pop-up. Just click on OK, and click on exit. So you can see once the installation has been successful, you can see these three icons on the desktop. So the first icon is for startup, to start your server. The second icon is to shut down your server. The third icon is to log in to your website or your local URL. So first, to start up your server, just click on this icon, and based on your system abilities and configuration, it's going to take time to start up the server. Just click on allow access for the first time. So it is loading up, and in the meantime, just click on this login icon. So once the server has started, then of course this URL will be loaded automatically. So Pega startup will take time, like for the first time, it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to start the server up. And until then, we just have to sit and look into the logs, what all the things that Pega is doing in the backend to start a server. So you can see that we have a PostgreSQL database, which is version 11.8 and the JDBC driver. Hey guys, after a really long time, yeah, it takes some time for the first instance. As you can see, my server is running, and we are able to open this URL. So you can see that my URL is this one, localhost 8080/prweb, and these are the URL. So the default username and password to login is administrator@pega.com, and the password is install. So the server is running in the backend. So for the first time, as usual, to run the server, it is going to take time, as well as once you log in, it is going to take time, because it's going to build the files in the backend or cache the files. So it is going to take some time. So just click on OK. So there you go. We are able to log into the default Pega portal, which is our Dev Studio, with the default username and password. So we have App Studio, which is the future, where it makes the things really easy and simple for business analysts. So yes, it is an App Studio, and along with that we have two more studios. One is Admin Studio, where all the users can be seen from Admin Studio, all the backend processes. So you can, as an administrator of the server, or you can watch all the backend things. So at the same time, we also have a Prediction Studio, which is used for analytics or predicting, like AI models. All the stuff is being done in Prediction Studio. So let's go to Admin Studio as well, where we can see the list of users that currently logged into the system, as well as how many backend processes are running, and all the job schedulers, queue processors, all those things. You can see currently there is only one node, which is 8080 node. So we have only one node, and only one user have logged in, that is the default user. And as you can see, by default we have so many queue process jobs, and as well as agents are already configured by default. Now we'll go to Prediction Studio. Yeah, so here you can create a lot of predictions, your own predictions too, and also the models, and a lot of stuff. So that is it. So this is the video for downloading as well as installing Pega in your personal system. In the next video, we're going to create a simple application using Pega 8.6. So if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, give it a thumbs down, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye and have a great day.